Namaskar to all of you. Namaskar. I hope you are not sleeping. The Excellency Tarusing Gaillard Saab, Honorable Governor of Karnataka, who is the Vice Chancellor of the University, my colleague Shan Prakash Patil ji, Honorable Minister for Medical Education. I was also a medical education minister some point of time. Dr. Bhagwan, the Vice Chancellor of the University, all my degree who has been today confirmed with the degree, my great friends and friends, former Vice Chancellor who have been sitting here, deans, members of the Senate, Syndicate, Academic Council, Board of Studies, distinguished guests, faculty members, graduates and their parents, all my media friends, and who have been a part of this great historic convention. Today I am very happy to address this 28th convention of this Rajiv Gandhi Health University Convocation. I am just pleased to inform you that this is my first address after taking over the Chief Minister of Karnataka. So as our Vice Chancellor said that by choice, I may be an agriculturist. By passion, I may be a politician. But by choice, I am an educationist. So I am pleased to note that Rajiv Gandhi University, which is one of the largest health science universities in the country, which has more than 1,400 affiliated colleges, nearly lakhs of students. But one thing you should know that we produce 72,000 every year, graduates, 13,940 medical graduates, which is one of the largest in the world. And I think once I remember, when we laid the foundation of the Bangalore International Airport, Atal Bihari Vajpayee ji had come to lay the foundation of the international airport. He said one thing, there was a time when the world leaders used to come first to Delhi, then they used to select different parts of the state. Now the situation has changed. Though all the world leaders are first coming to Bangalore, then they are coming to Delhi. That is what Mr. Atal Bihari Vajpayee said. So this is a university. Why I am telling this story is that this is a place of talent pool. Not only the IT sector. Bangalore has 26 lakhs IT professionals working in Bangalore, whereas California has 13 lakhs IT professionals. You are the highest medical colleges nowhere in the country. You have more than 72 medical colleges with different, all the other paramedicals and various things which no other country has. That is the strength of Bangalore. Bangalore and Karnataka has a very big foundation on human resources, what you have. So the best doctors, the best nurses, the best profession in the healthcare is working all over the country, and all of you, your earlier friends and leaders have made proud of Karnataka and proud of India. That is what you all have given. And Rajiv Gandhi University stands as a pillar of all this strength what has been created. So this university is named after our former Prime Minister, who was our guide, mentor, who was once said education must be a great equalizer in our society. It must be the tool to level to difference our various social system as created past thousands of years. Rajiv Gandhi University has emerged as a symbol of academic excellence, which you all have been noticed. Professionals, ethics and social commitment in healthcare and education that has produced more than 8 lakh graduates last 3 decades. Healthcare is the first, foremost than treatment of disease. It is a social mission. It is a commitment reducing suffering, protecting all sections of the society with dignity and well-being. India today is witnessing a rapid social and technological transformation alongside with remarkable advancement in medical education and healthcare. We also face very serious public health challenges, including non-communicable diseases. I don't want to go to the internal part of various issues, but you all should not only look at urban, you should also look at the rural population, which is growing fast, and you should stop the rural population coming to Bangalore because of education and healthcare. This is one important issue which you have to look at upon. Today, we all are here. I am very happy that you all are having the graduation year. I also became a graduate at the age of, I think, 2008. I became a graduate. I could not become a graduate at when I was a student. I could to contest my elections. But when I had a graduation in Mysore University as a MA Political Science, then the Vice Chancellor wanted to inaugurate, to facilitate me on the dais. Then the minister said that no, let he be there itself. I will let he not come here. But today, the situation has changed. Today, the God has given me an opportunity to serve all of you, to give this presentation. I am telling you, history repeats. So I am telling, I was most happiest. I was a minister in Bangarappa government. I was a minister in Krishna government in various capacity. But I was so happy the day I became a graduate in Mysore University in MA Political Science. That was the most happiest day of my life. I would like to tell all of you. So today, all of you, ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಕೂಡ ಇವತ್ತು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಗ್ರಾಜ್ಯುಯೇಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀರಿ. ಉತ್ತಮವಾದಂಥ ಭವಿಷ್ಯ ನಿಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಇಡೀ ಪ್ರಪಂಚ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ನೀವು ಈ ವೃತ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಆಯ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿರೋದಕ್ಕೆ, ಈ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಷನ್ನ ಆಯ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ನೀವು ಭಾಳ ಪುಣ್ಯವಂತರು. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸ್ವಂತ ಸ್ವಾಭಿಮಾನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬದಿಗಟ್ಟಿ, ಐ ನೋ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್. ನನ್ನ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಕೂಡ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಐ ಸೆಡ್ ನೋ, ವಿತಿನ್ ಡೇ ಓಪನ್ಸ್ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಅಟ್ ಹೋಮ್ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ನಾನೇ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಅವಕಾಶ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಐ ನೋ ದಿ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್. ನನ್ನ ಮನೇಲೂ ಒಂದು ಅರ್ಧ ಡಜನ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಬಟ್ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ಐ ನೋ ಯುವರ್ ಕಮಿಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ಯುವರ್ ಲವ್, ಯು ವಾಂಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಬಿಕಮ್ ಎ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟೆಡ್. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಬದುಕಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಆದರ್ಶವನ್ನು ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ. ಸಾಧನೆ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಗುರಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದಾಗಲಿ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನುಷ್ಯತ್ವವನ್ನು ನೀವು ಉಳಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು ಪ್ರಯತ್ನವನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೇಲೆ ಅಪಾರವಾದಂಥ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ವಿಶ್ವಾಸನ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು, ನಂಬಿಕೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು, ಎಷ್ಟೇ ಕಷ್ಟ ಸುಖ, ಒಬ್ಬ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಹತ್ರ ಆಗಲಿ, ಒಬ್ಬ ಲಾಯರ್ ಹತ್ರ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಯಾರೇ ಆಗಲಿ, ಭಾಳ ನಂಬಿಕೆಯಿಂದ ವಿಶ್ವಾಸದಿಂದ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಂಥ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಅವರ ನಂಬಿಕೆಯನ್ನು ಉಳಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೇಲೆ ಅವರ ಜೀವವನ್ನೇ ಬದಿಗೆಟ್ಟು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಪರರಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಉದಾರವಾದಂಥ ಮನಸ್ಸನ್ನಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ತ್ಯಾಗವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀರಿ. I would like to once again congratulate you for taking up this great humanity profession. ಈ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಷನ್ ಅಷ್ಟು ಸುಲಭವಾದಲ್ಲ, ಭಾಳ ಶ್ರಮ ಪಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ, ಕಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟು ಓದಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಎವ್ರಿ ಡೇ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯು, ಎವ್ರಿ ಡೇ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಓಪನಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯು, ಎವ್ರಿ ಡೇ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಎನ್ಲೈಟನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಸರ್. ಆಗೋಯ್ತು ನಂದು, ಮುಗಿದೋಯ್ತು, ನಾನು ಗ್ರಾಜ್ಯುಯೇಟ್ ಆಗೋದೇ ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಈಗ ಉದ್ಭವೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಎವ್ರಿ ಡೇ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಬೀನ್ ಚೇಂಜಿಂಗ್. ಎವ್ರಿ ಡೇ ನಾನು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ, ಚಿಕ್ಕದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ನನ್ನ ಜೊತೆಲಿ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಿರುವಾಗ ನನ್ನ ಕಸಿನ್ಸು, ನನ್ನ ರಿಲೇಟಿವ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇಷ್ಟಪ್ಪ ಪುಸ್ತಕ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಓದ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಆ ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಫಿಂಗರ್ ಟಿಪ್ಸ್, ಇನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಫೋನ್ ಟ್ಯಾಪ್ಸ್, ಇನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಐಫೋನ್ಸ್, ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್ ಅವೈಲಬಲ್. ಸೊ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎ ಬಿಗ್ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್ ಹೆಡ್. ಸೊ ಬಿಗ್ ಚಾಲೆಂಜಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್. ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಮ ನಾಯಕತ್ವವನ್ನು ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿ. ನೀವು ಕಣ್ಣಿಗೆ ಕಾಣೋಂಥ ದೇವರುಗಳು. ನೀವು ಕಣ್ಣಿಗೆ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರು ಕೂಡ ಎಷ್ಟು ಶ್ರಮದಿಂದ ಅವರ ಜೀವನ ಬದುಕಬೇಕು ಅಂಥೇಳಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅಂಥ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ. ಇವತ್ತು ರಾಜೀವ್ ಗಾಂಧಿ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಸೈನ್ಸು ಭಾಳ ಉತ್ತಮ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ ರಾಮನಗರ, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ ಸೌತ್. ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಬೀನ್ ರೆಕಗ್ನೈಸ್ಡ್ ಆಲ್ ಓವರ್ ದಿ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್. ಯು ಆರ್ ಎ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನು ತಾವು ಗಮನದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ದಿಸ್ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿ ಆಸ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್. ಭಾಳ ಹುಷಾರಾಗಿರಿ. ನೀವು 30 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಲಕ್ಷಾಂತರ ಜನ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ತಯಾರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಿ. ಇಡೀ ನಂಬರ್ 1, 2, 3. ನಾನು ಅನೇಕ ಆಸ್ಟ್ರೇಲಿಯಾ ಪ್ರವಾಸ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಜಪಾನ್ ಪ್ರವಾಸ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಅಮೆರಿಕ ಪ್ರವಾಸ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಇಂಗ್ಲೆಂಡ್ ಪ್ರವಾಸ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಎಲ್ಲೋದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ನಂಬರ್ 1, 2, 3 ಎಲ್ಲ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ಸು, ವಿಶೇಷವಾಗಿ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದವರು. ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿರೋಂಥ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಇಡೀ ಭಾರತದಲ್ಲ, ವರ್ಲ್ಡಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲೂ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ನನಗೆ ಭಾಳ ಸಂತೋಷ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಎಷ್ಟೇ ಜನ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ದೇಶಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ತಪಾಸಣೆ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋದರೂ ಕೂಡ ಏನು ನಮ್ಮ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿ ತಯಾರಾಗಿರೋಂಥ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಯು ಕಾಂಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ದರ್ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ, ಯು ಕಾಂಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ದರ್ ಎಫಿಷಿಯನ್ಸಿ, ಯು ಕಾಂಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ದರ್ ಕಮಿಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಟುಡೇ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್. ಸೊ ಅದರಿಂದ ಇವತ್ತು ನಶೆಗೆ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಹೊಳಗಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ನಿಮ್ಮದೊಂದು ಥೀಮ್ ಇದೆ, ನಶೆ ಮುಕ್ತ ಭಾರತ, ನಶೆ ಮುಕ್ತ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ, ನಶೆ ಮುಕ್ತ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಡ್ಯೂಟಿ. ಆ ದಿಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಸೇರಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಐ ಆಮ್ ವೆರಿ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ. ಇನ್ನು ಭಾಳ ವಿಚಾರಗಳನ್ನು ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಹಂಚ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಐ ಶುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಫರ್ಗೆಟ್ ಮೈ ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಶರಣ್ ಪ್ರಕಾಶ್ ಪಾಟೀಲ್ ವಿತ್ ಪ್ಯಾಷನ್. Though he is a medical doctor, he himself, he wanted to give a great service to this field. So, ಅವರು ಶರಣ್ ಪ್ರಕಾಶ್ ಪಾಟೀಲ್ ಅವರು ಈ ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿಯನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡು ವೆಲ್ ಡಿಸಿಪ್ಲಿನ್ಡ್. ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ನಾಟ್ ಸೀನ್ ಸಚ್ ಎ ಡಿಸಿಪ್ಲಿನ್ಡ್ ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಇನ್ ಮೈ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ 30 years. He is doing a great job with discipline. A honest, dedicated doctor with his own profession, he is doing your job. ಯಾವ ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಫೋಲಿಯೋ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಕೊಡ್ತಿದ್ರು, ಬಟ್ he loved this profession. He loved this department. He is serving. ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ 70 ಕಾಲೇಜಸ್ಗೆ ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ he has his own ಇದು ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಕಮಿಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ he is giving a lot of time to shape this university. He is doing well. Now Dr. Bhagwan is here for the very long time. Our chancellor, our governor was very kind enough to approve his nomination. So he is also committed, and I am confident with his leadership and Sharan Prakash leadership under the guidance of our excellency, they will do well, they achieve well. See that the milestone will be with the greater heights. A great university is defined merely by not number of colleges or the students or the degrees. It is truly depends upon the quality of teachers that strengthen the research and ecosystem and the innovation what is being. So I call upon all the teachers today not merely to deliver lectures but to become mentor, designers, researchers and innovators as a role model for the future of this country. I am happy to know that the State of Art and Research Foundation, which will be in Bhimakuppe, I think at the time of Krishnaji, we gave about 50 acres of land that will be very created. I once again congratulate all of you. Next time we will try to meet at Ramnagar in the new campus. I hope we are doing our best. I wish you all the best. So once again, let me all congratulate you, especially all my new young students who had the degree today, who have a milestone. Your dreams have come true. You should remember 4 Ds in your life. You should dream, you should dedicate, you should discipline. That is what you have to think. So all the dreams should come true and you should make a big commitment. Once again, I would like to congratulate and thank all the members of the Rajiv Gandhi University who have been here, either the syndicate, senate, all of them. They all have to work together. See that don't harass the institution. Institutions have to grow up, including all the paramedicals or whatever may be. All have to grow together. Joining together is the beginning. Thinking together is progress. Working together is success. I hope all of you will work unitedly to see that this institution grows well. You all are proud. You should make a mark in your life. Karnataka government, I would like to assure the Vice Chancellor and the Chancellor that Karnataka government stand committed with the leadership of my minister, my colleague. Government is committed to help you whatever you want. You are not doing for yourself, you are doing for the society and keeping Karnataka and country proud. I thank you once again for participating in this great event. I wish you all the best. God bless you. Thank you.